I'm Bill Hand with today's coronavirus report for New Bern Sun Journal on April 20th, 2020. Craven County has experienced its third COVID-19 related death. According to the Craven County Health Department, the individual was tested on March 30th, confirmed positive on April 2nd, and died on April 19th. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, or CDC, most people who get COVID-19 will recover without needing medical care, however. If you have symptoms such as fever or cough without shortness of breath or difficulty breathing, just stay home and self-quarantine. If you do need medical help, seek help from your doctor. Life Dean, a Jacksonville COVID-19 survivor, describes the disease he fought as a horror show monster. Dean is a 43-year-old traveling motivational speaker. He said his symptoms began with a sore throat and progressed to a fever that spiked at 104 degrees. At his wife's insistence, he sought medical help on April 6th. I couldn't remember how to breathe, he recalled, so my wife took me to the emergency room. He would ultimately be placed on a ventilator before he became well enough to go back home. You think it's fighting your body, and it starts fighting your mind, Dean told the Sun journalist Todd Wetherington. If you don't keep a positive mind state, it's probably going to kill you. His wife Tammy would also wind up testing positive, but her symptoms were quite milder. She self-isolated in a bedroom to keep from spreading the virus to her children and was only able to communicate with her sick husband by phone. It was lonely, she said. It definitely messes with you psychologically. Craven County's lodging industry is struggling to stay afloat during the pandemic at a time that is usually the beginning of its busiest season. We're empty. There's no bookings, Ann Witter, assistant innkeeper at Meadows Inn Bed and Breakfast in New Bern, told Todd Wetherington. The inn's owners are making the best of the situation by doing some needed renovation work. Other bed and breakfasts are also reporting low to no occupancy. The one bright spot they do report is the fact that the state and financial institutions are introducing new, more lenient guidelines for business owners, including deferring payment on loans. Nationally, the death toll has hit 40,000, but many citizens are getting fed up with lockdowns that are causing businesses to fold, some permanently. Many states, including North Carolina, have seen protests demanding a more lenient approach by governors regarding what businesses can open on a limited basis rather than simply being closed as non-essential. As to the local COVID-19 count, as of Friday, 36 confirmed cases had been reported in Craven, with 20 of them recovered and doing well. 5 cases reported as hospitalized, and there have been 3 deaths. Statewide, the NCDHHS reports that 6,764 verified cases have been found, with 179 deaths and 373 currently hospitalized in 93 counties as of 10:35 a.m. today. County by county, Carteret reports 22 cases and 2 deaths, Jones 8 cases and 1 death, Lenoir 21 cases, and Onslow 33 cases and 1 death. The NCDHHS site does not give any information on how many cases have been recovered. I'm Bill Hand, and this has been your coronavirus update report for April 20th, 2020 with the New Bern Sun Journal. Have a good day.